Welcome to the Prep Pursuit. I'm Deborah Walton, a modern etiquette, image, and style expert. As a consultant at the Poise Pursuit, I work with busy professionals around the world, helping to elevate their companies, careers, and lifestyles. You can learn more about my services at thepoisepursuit.com. Today's video is a seasonal favorite. It's spring cleaning season, so I'm going to share with you some tips on how to spring clean your office. When you spring clean your office, it's really going to brighten your mood, and it'll help just give you some inspiration and some encouragement to be much more productive when you're working. So it certainly makes a positive impact on your success. The first tip is to set a date and time. You've got to block it off on your calendar. Why? Because if you don't, you may not get around to it. You tend to forget things if you don't plan for them. So this is one of those areas that it's really important to make sure that you are adding it into your schedule, setting a date and time, committing to it, and you will get it done. You'll make it happen. As you're spring cleaning your office, one thing you can keep in mind is that the items that need to be within arm's reach on your desk are things that you regularly use. For example, if you don't use a calculator every day, maybe you can keep that in a drawer or put it somewhere further away and use that space where the calculator would be on your desk for something else you more commonly use. This is a helpful use of your space, and it's just going to make it much more effective and give it a better flow in your office. The next tip for spring cleaning your office is to clean. When I say clean, what I truly mean is to get rid of all that dust, dirt, and bacteria. Gross. Take a Clorox wipe, get some Lysol spray, whatever it is that you like to use. Personally, I love Windex multi-purpose cleaner. Yes, I am a neat freak. If you guessed that about me, you're so smart. And I've got the link for that in the description below. It just smells so good. So I love that multi-purpose cleaner. Whatever you prefer to use, spray things down, wipe them down, and remove all that dirt, dust, and bacteria. This is one of the first things I do when I clean my office, which is typically about once a month that I actually go through the full process. But that's because I'm a neat freak. I don't do it once a year. I do it once a month. I'm doing this 12 times a year, y'all. But it really helps me to be much more productive and flow and have that positive energy in my work environment. So this is definitely an important tip and an important part of the process of spring cleaning your office. The next piece of advice is to organize your paperwork. Anything that you're keeping, you can file away, and anything you're tossing, you can shred or discard. It's very simple. You should have 2 piles for all the papers. Keeping things that are extra clutter that you don't necessarily need are just going to take up space. You could also even use the idea of scanning documents and keeping files on your computer rather than keeping the tangible papers if you have that as an option, if it's a better fit for you. But one thing that personally drives me bananas is clutter. So if you are anything like me, keeping everything organized when it comes to your paper and your files will certainly give you peace of mind and clarity when you are working in your office. The last tip for spring cleaning your office is to spring clean your inbox. Yes, your email. You can go through your inbox and delete things that you no longer need, save things to certain folders to organize those messages and conversations and threads. But keeping your computer files disorganized and discombobulated will just create chaos during your workflow and productivity. So have everything in a proper folder in your email inbox, and you can even do this with your desktop and files on your computer. I tend to have folders and folders, so my desktop actually has nothing on it. Everything is in a folder, but that's just the way I operate. It gives me peace of mind, and I can flow in my work process much more efficiently. So keep your electronic files organized and tidy when you are spring cleaning your office. Now, I want to hear from you. This is a hot topic, spring cleaning, and it's definitely the time of year to do it. So what's your tip for spring cleaning your office? Share with me in a comment below. I'd love to see it. If you're new to the channel, thank you for joining. I hope you subscribe. I share new videos every single week about how to thrive personally and professionally. Subscribing will notify you when I've got something new to share. Thank you for tuning into the channel, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. See you for now. Bye.